everyone. The meeting is now come to order. Today is December 2, 2025. We are gathered for coordination meeting. Thank you for your commitment and punctuality. Secretary Chindel, please do the roll call.
Yes, ma'am. Calling the roll call, Miss Princess,
Present.
Mr. Pilbini, Miss Janelle, President.
Thank you. We shall proceed. The agenda consists of 5. The first is annual completion plan. Second, Brigada Escuela. Third, United Nations celebration. Fourth is the intramurals. And fifth is the board. May I hear a motion to approve the agenda as presented?
Madam Presider, I move to approve the agenda. Second the motion.
All in favor, please say yes.
Yes.
Approved. Let us start with the IAIP.
Ma'am, I recommended a setting a structured reading intervention program, meaning learners need additional support and comprehension.
Okay.
We can assign reading lessons per grade level to one of the small group sessions for basic learning.
I also suggest having monthly reading diagnostics to track progress of priority learners. We can also work together to create simple reading materials based on the learner's level.
Thank you. PTA, any inputs?
Madam Presider, the PTA is willing to assist by providing additional reading materials and helping set up reading orders.
We can also organize volunteer parents for weekend reading support if needed.
Thank you. We will vote on the following. Reading interventions every Tuesday and Thursday. Teacher-led reading method groups. Monthly diagnostic assessments. Development of localized reading materials. All in favor?
Yes.
All approved.
So, the assigned task, Teacher Janelle will assign draft intervention schedule. And Teacher Kim and Teacher Kimberly organize mentor groups. Teacher Irish will prepare diagnostic tools. And all teachers create local reading materials and Teacher President advice, support reading corners and volunteers. Include updates to AI.
Next is Brigada Escuela. Teachers, please report needed improvements.
Repainting is needed in intermediate building. The primary building needs cleaning and establishment.
Some chairs on this need minor repairs. I propose repair. We can implement a please-out rotation per grade.
PTA, any support of this?
We can coordinate periods to help with the cleaning and minor repairs.
We can also help source donated paint or supplies.
Thank you. We will vote on the following. 1 week, Brigada Escuela, painting, cleaning, and repairs as priority. Quotation system per grade. Repair team with teacher-parent collaboration. All in favor?
Yes.
Approved.
So, the assigned task, Teacher Irish will be assigned to painting, committee head, and Teacher Kim, cleaning and organization. Teacher Kimberly and Teacher Janelle, repair team coordinators, and PTA, parent volunteer support and materials. So, consolidate classroom reports.
We now discuss the United Nations celebration. Teacher Kim? Teacher Janelle?
Each grade can present a country and perform a cultural presentation.
We can have exhibits showing flags and world facts.
I suggest including physical.
PTA, any input?
We can help prepare small token for the winners.
We can also assist teachers during the cultural presentation.
Thank you. We will vote on the proposed activities.
Yes.
All agreed?
Yes. So, the assigned task, Teacher Kim will be assigned the program head, and program.
Next is intramurals. Teachers, please proceed with your recommendation.
For upper grades, basketball, volleyball, badminton, and also the track.
And for the lower grades, relays and simple team games.
We need a game officials and safety officer per event.
Students marshals and corporate crowd control.
PTA, any remarks?
We can handle hydration station for the staff.
We can also help procure first aid supplies.
We will now vote.
Yes.
Approve.
So, for the assigned task, Teacher Erich, you will be assigned to sports committee head. Teacher Kimberly, you will be assigned to lower grade activities. Teacher Janelle and Teacher Kim, you will be assigned to game officials and safety. And for the PTA, you will be assigned to solicitations and first aid supplies. So, consent forms and documentation.
Class B, Buwanang Wika. Teacher Kim?
Propose sabay pagbigas and balantasan.
Okay.
Poster making for selected grades. Storytelling and poetry for lower grades.
Very good. Teacher Kimberly.
Each grade level can present a cultural Filipino performance.
PTA.
The PTA can support prize for the winner.
We will also assist in stage decorations if needed.
Thank you. We will now vote.
Yes.
Approve.
So now, for the assigned task for the buwan ng wika, Teacher Kim, you will be assigned to literary competitions. Teacher Erich, you will be assigned to art competitions. And Teacher Janelle and Teacher Kimberly, you will be assigned to cultural performances.
For the activities, I will be conducting a more elaborated meeting. So are there any matters?
None from the PTA.
Okay, thank you. There being no further matters, the meeting is adjourned. Thank you for your active participation and dedication. Good job and good day, everyone.